In the cauldron of Faisalabad, November 1989, a young Sanjay Manjrekar crafted an innings that whispered resilience and echoed old world charm. His 76 runs, edged over 240 deliveries, and 325 patience minutes were not just numbers, they were strokes of quiet defiance against Pakistan's fiery attack. With just 7 boundaries, it was an exhibition of restraint where their forward press and soft leaf spoke louder than the scoreboard. The match may have faded into a draw, but Sanjay Manjrekar's vigil remains a forgotten gem in the wallet of Test match grit. Let's enjoy his innings.
Well, Akram to Manjrekar. He played on there. The close call for him. He went right back. And that sound. Shoaib tried to reach for it. You'll have to look at the replay, but a very close call for Manjrekar. There it is. He edges that.
Yes, that was a catch.
It was a catch, yes.
And it was Shoaib.
That's right. Let's see that again. And that's a drop catch.
ये मंजरेकर को खेल दिया है 4 रन्स को कोई खिलाड़ी रोकने में कामयाब नहीं होंगे डीप थर्ड मैन पोजीशन की जानिब बॉल शॉट अपील लेग बिफोर की लेकिन अगले पांव पर खेल रहे थे
पांव उनका बहुत आगे था
in place of Salim Jafar at some stage. This one's travelling down towards deep third man, 4 runs.
What a beautiful shot. Tendulkar off the mark with a 4. Lovely
That's
shot.
a nice shot. Square of the wicket to the backward point boundary, 4 runs.
Delectable.
बीट हुए मंजरेकर और 10 मर्तबा अच्छी ड्राइव 4 रन्स के लिए
खूबसूरत ड्राइव
कोई मौका नहीं किसी फील्डर के लिए उसको रोकने का
अगरचे ये बॉल काफी तेज कादर ने फेंका था मगर बॉल की लाइन में आकर मंजरेकर ने उसे निकाल दिया है
बहुत खूबसूरत शॉट उसके पीछे भाग रहे हैं लेकिन रोकने में कामयाब नहीं होंगे
गुड शॉट
Drive, 4 runs. It's a fine shot. That's his 50. Sanjay Manjrekar got 100 in Karachi in the second innings. Carrying on. Although he's had 2 lives. And he looked very tentative when he came in. The position.
shot
That's a beautiful shot. 4 runs. Superb shot. Beautifully
great
shot of the day.
yes beautiful he saw it early and just smashed it
Manjrekar 58 and India 189. 189 for 4. A comment from Maqsood and then your commentator will be Hassan Jaleel.
और गेंद बाउंड्री लाइन पार कर गई लेग बाई के 4 रन्स एक्स्ट्रास की तादाद हो गई 40 मजमूई स्कोर 199
करीब से होती हुई गई विकेट कीपर अब्बासी के पास अब मैं समझता हूँ कुछ लाइट में गड़बड़ है
बिल्कुल आपने ठीक कहा मकसूद क्योंकि आसमान पर इस वक्त बादल छाए हुए हैं तो रोशनी खासी कम हो गई है और चूंकि फास्ट बॉलर्स बॉलिंग कर रहे हैं
जी हाँ
और ये देखिए अंपायर्स ने खेल रोक देने का फैसला किया है मैं भी यही कहने लगा था, मकसूद के इत्तेफाक से खेल रुक गया कि इस वक्त चूँकि एटमॉस्फेयर
Good shot. Fine shot. They take 2 and 1 for the throw and get the third.
Well played.
He's thrown near that.
LBW की अपील, लेकिन बॉल अंदर आ रही थी और मिडल और लेग स्टंप पर थी
और पाँव भी बहुत आगे था। Well fielded.
Slight hesitation on the part of the two batsmen. There wasn't a run in there, quite rightly.
Well bowled.
An appeal for LBW, disallowed by umpire Hampshire.
I think it was outside the off stump. Well bowled.
इस मरतबा एक और अच्छी गेंद इमरान खान की।
बहुत सोच समझ के अंपायर ने वाइड दिया।
मेरा ख्याल है पिछली मरतबा ये गलती नजरअंदाज कर दी थी, मगर इस मरतबा वाइड बॉल करा दी है और रन आउट होने का खतरा, मगर थ्रो विकेटों में नहीं लगा और ये ओवर थ्रो का एक और रन होगा। इस तरह 2 रन का इजाफा हुआ।
Slip by Salim Malik. That's the end of Sanjay Manjrekar. Also the first test wicket for Naveed Anjuman Maqsood. He deserved it.
Yes, he deserved it, I would say, and particularly he has been bowling very well throughout this morning.
In the cauldron of subcontinental rivalry, amidst hostile crowds and crafty bowlers, Sanjay Manjrekar emerged as the beacons of composure during India's 1989 tour of Pakistan. His batting was a throwback to the old-school virtues of Test cricket, built on a rock-solid technique, steely temperament, and a monk-like focus. Sanjay Manjrekar, playing in just his second overseas Test series, looked every bit the seasoned campaigner. He relied heavily on the classical side of the game, playing close to the body, mastering the forward defensive and rarely flashing outside off. His bat came down straight like a ruler and his judgment of length was impeccable. On Pakistan's slow yet turning wickets, he was unflustered by spin and unbothered by pace. Be it the reverse swing menace of Wasim Akram and Waqar Yunus or the guile of Abdul Qadir, Sanjay Manjrekar responded with a calm head and precise footwork. He rarely chased glory. Instead, he wore the bowlers down session by session. His innings of 76 in Faisalabad was emblematic of his approach. Low on flair but rich in application. It was the kind of knock that did not light up the stands, but it lit up dressing room morale. Quite assured and methodical, Sanjay Manjrekar batting in that series was a study in test match survival and discipline. If you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.